Welcome to our in-depth guide on HDMI IPTV encoders. If you've ever wanted to stream high-quality video content directly to devices, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the best practices for using an HDMI IPTV encoder, ensuring you get the most out of your streaming setup. First, let's talk about the equipment you'll need. A reliable option is the Encoder HD, which supports 4K video and various streaming protocols like RTSP and HLS. Next, connect your HDMI source, like a camera or media player, directly to the encoder. Make sure you check your connections to avoid any signal issues. Now let's set up the encoder. On most devices, you'll find an easy-to-navigate interface. Configure your output settings to match your desired resolution and bitrate, aiming for at least 4 megabits per second for HD streaming. Remember, consistency is key. After configuration, connect the encoder to your network. This can be done through Ethernet or Wi-Fi. However, a wired connection is recommended for stability. Once connected, test the stream using a reliable player like VLC or directly on your smart TV.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flame by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away, I'm gone away, I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me, a brand new day for love, brand new day for me, brand new.
If you encounter any problems, check your encoder settings and network connection. Common mistakes include using incorrect protocols and neglecting to update firmware, so keep those in mind. Finally, Always monitor the performance during the stream. If you want a seamless experience, consider using a service like 2TV Store, renowned for being the best IPTV provider. Check the pinned comment for more details. Now you're ready to share your content with the world. Enjoy streaming, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.